family, welcome. It's your girl Kalana Rose, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into it, please hit the subscription button down below, hit the bell up top so you can get notified when I make new videos. So today is a collaboration video, a springtime look between myself and Nicolah Ann. And my inspiration, as many of you may know, my family's from Grenada, so my inspiration came from the national flower. It's a very long word, so I'm not gonna butcher it here, but yes, that was my inspiration, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let's get into it.
Okay, so we're gonna get started with my P. Louise base in Rumour 3, and we're gonna just pat that out with my flat brush and then buff it out with my concealer brush. Once that's done, we're gonna move on to my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2 with the shade Dance Party, and we're gonna start putting that into my crease, making sure that's really dark and pigmented. Now that we've gotten both eyes with Dance Party, we're going to take that same brush, clean it off, and blend out the ends. Quick break from blending. So make sure you guys check out Nicolah Ann's video. It's poppin'. She's got pastels going on, little cut crease action. It's springtime ready. So next we're gonna go in with the color Lolly Mama, and we're gonna put that right above Dance Party and blend it all the way out. Following that, we're gonna follow up with the shade Perfectionist and just blend out Lolly Mama right into my brow bone. Now, using my Tammy X Revolution palette, we're gonna take the shade St. Catherine and pat that on the lids. And time to cut the crease. In that same palette, we're gonna take Calypso, the lime green color, and place that right over where we cut the crease. All right, next we're gonna go in with the shade Greens, and we're going to blend out our cut crease in the middle of your eye. And we're just gonna pat a little bit more of Dance Party at the edges of my eye so we don't lose that pink pigment. Okay, so now we're gonna take Dance Party again, and we're going to put it in the waterline. Following that, we're gonna use the NYX Glitter Primer and put that over all the areas that we cut for the crease. And we're gonna use the P. Louise pigment in Icy and pat that right over. Now for my favorite part that I do in every cut crease video. I'm tracing my cut crease with my NYX glitter in 07, the iridescent shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same P. Louise Icy pigment and put it in my inner eye corners just to brighten up my eyes a little bit. Now for the fun part. So I just drew some petal-like shapes on my face with the P. Louise Basic Brights in the red shade, and then I check it out a little bit. Okay, and then I go in with a lighter pink shade that I created with that P. Louise base and the NYX white cream shade. Alright, so now I'm just going to put some white dots in the center of all my flowers. And now I'm just going to start drawing some vine-like, grass-like strokes on my face to connect all of the flowers. And then I'm going to follow it up by patting in a green pigment from J. La Rue to color my vines. So I also decided to take that same green pigment from J. La Rue and pack it in my inner tear ducts where I put the icy pigment just to brighten it up a little bit more. Okay, so what's a look without some highlight? Shit happen, okay, period. Okay, so that's the look. Don't forget to check out Nicolah Ann's video. It will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time.